Petty fam.
We're doing
the first day in our new home. Hectic.
Let's get into it.
Your boy Clarence NYC, and today it's just me starting the Royal Family.
Hey, Beast.
You know what I'm saying? It's moving day.
Moving
Move out
day.
and moving day.
Okay,
And
Bearded
right now,
King.
as you can see, just look around. I don't care if you guys see where I
in.
live now, because I'm out of here.
You whore.
But it's hectic. You know what I'm saying? It's hectic. Queen's not here. She's on her way here.
I don't care if y'all see where I live because I'm out of here.
Electricity. I don't know what she got to do there, but we almost done. Come here. Matter of fact, come here. Look what I got to do. Look what I got to do. Y'all already know I'm illiterate. I'm illiterate when it comes to this game and shit. Look at this. Dirt gotta chill. Dirt gotta chill because we get copyrighted. But look at this. And I have no idea where these wires go when I get to the new house. So I'm gonna need somebody. All my 4 screens is right there. Now I gotta unbuild this little setup right here. Then this is out, and we off to the new house. You know what I'm saying? And before we get into this video, though, make sure you smash that like button, make sure you leave a comment, and make sure you subscribe, because if you're not, that's petty.
Yeah, thank you,
fam.
Petty fam. I got
Right,
really excited. Yeah, Petty fam. You don't do that, that's petty. But we gonna do it and we petty. Now
Right.
what?
I don't move this up. I'm gonna move this out, and I don't want to.
Can somebody help Claire?
But niggas is saying this might be like.
Petty laughing, I hear
Be
you.
in a truck like this, but I'm not sticking out. I don't think you can do that though.
Ain't that a screw, bro?
Y'all might as well put it upside down on the U-Haul and have the boxes on top of it.
Yeah, that's an idea.
You gonna have to put the next one down there.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to put it over here.
Oh, that's Mike behind the camera.
Oh, Mike.
Complete different
Mike
place.
just giggling. You not helping
I
out.
definitely don't think you can come outside.
Yo.
Yo.
You ain't got no help at all, baby.
They don't know what yo means, man.
You in the wrong state, sweetheart.
Niggas were ran downstairs like yo.
Yo.
Why you won't take it off?
Because you know how like you.
Look at Beast.
There's no holes in there. I made the holes, so I'm not gonna be able to put it back
Oh
there.
yeah,
Like,
you especially on the same.
it's already damn near stripped. Look,
Don't hurt Beast back.
see, it's already wiggly.
Wiggly.
That's what I'm saying. Mike was like, nah. It's gonna be a leg just sticking out. Like,
He gonna say, leave it on. Now he gotta have Beast help.
Oh, okay, my fault.
Yeah.
My fault. Let me get out the way.
He gonna get out the way. Lend a hand.
That's trigonometry.
Oh, Beast. He said trigonometry.
Oh,
That's geometry.
Oh.
got it?
Yeah, look at that.
You got
Yeah,
the
you don't.
angles, right? Okay.
That's Call of Duty shit. You don't know nothing about that.
Oh, you see, bragging.
I
All
don't
right.
think you can get this motor
Yeah,
door.
you just gotta know your angles.
I know your angles.
He gonna do the replay when he's in. Petty. Petty, Mike.
Why you gotta do one hand? Beast got all these hands. Look, they gonna do what I said.
Yep.
At the same time, carrying.
God damn.
Just right shit.
Beast need to braids.
He sure do. Give me some
Cause
rest.
y'all could have got movers.
Just because he's tall and everything,
Right.
don't mean he's supposed to do all these different jobs.
Draw. What would you call this?
A drawer.
He said draws.
Same shit you said.
Draws.
You said
Draws.
He said draw like drawing.
Right.
Let's say it again.
A draw.
drawers.
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 You say drawers.
He said draw like underwear.
Right.
Bro, it's the same shit.
Tomato.
He don't hear it. He don't hear it. Drawers.
Nowadays, wow.
What's going on over here?
Bro, the glue is
What is
crazy.
that?
Bro, this shit is ripping the
What
wall.
was that even?
Y'all comment below. What the heck?
Like a Batman symbol.
Right. Like a soccer ball.
I might just leave it.
He gonna leave it.
You gotta pay for whatever you leave there. You better take all them nails out. Repaint them holes.
Let's do lick, bite, or eat.
I heard Patty. I knew he was there.
Super pause and here, but let's do lick, bite, or eat. Bro, it's lick, bite, eat, or nothing.
I'm not like fighting you, nothing.
What?
It's a challenge.
Bro, it's like a challenge. You go to the store, you get any random food you want to get, and then like if you pick it out your hat, you just lick, bite, or eat the food.
Whatever you get, you gotta do. It's 3 people.
In the store, cause don't get arrested.
Right.
This sounds great. It's like, I feel like this is the prized possession of the house a little bit, you know, besides like the kids. You know what I mean? It's like kids.
He said kids. And the shoes. So they do have movers.
It's like,
Yeah.
It's like
I was wondering
it's
how
like
you gonna get them.
Chicago off-white ones.
Or you just got movers for certain things.
And I would run upstairs.
He got
and get a few
movers. He
pieces
just
of
trying
clothing.
to get things out the way.
Yeah, it's like your jacket.
Stop. He get
If I
particular
take
things.
Your jacket, I might come back down here to then get another pair of sneakers. Like, you know what I mean? That's just left.
Let's walk through.
Aww.
Aww.
But era.
No.
And I'm like happy to, you know.
A lot of memories.
Yeah,
I'll
but
check
we
the
need
cabinet.
space,
Queen
man.
might
This
be in
shit
there.
is tall, you know what I'm saying?
Queen might be in the cabinet. I always like them glass panels to the.
This is what the magic happened right here.
Uh-oh.
This is a big ass master bedroom. And I'm gonna miss this for sure. I'm not gonna lie, I'm missing.
I mean, we didn't even get no snacks in the tub, Claire.
It wasn't no tub.
Oh, okay.
Up now.
He gonna have a tub now.
Oh, we gonna get snacks.
Tubby time.
Tubby time with Claire. Is that coming back?
Yeah.
Kids paradise up here used to be my game room. You know what I'm saying? Then we switched.
And we switched it.
But everything empty. All this little stuff. I'm gonna get a truck tomorrow and get all this other little things out of here. But we gotta get these movers out of here because they charge by the hour.
Right.
As you know, we're moving. As you know,
Where's your underwear, nigga?
He don't know. All he knows is where his shoes is.
That's Claire.
you know what I'm saying?
You gonna have to buy
We're
some.
in a new house now. You know what I'm saying? All our clothes are still here. You know what I'm saying? But I'm
Look.
just gonna take this with me. You know what I'm saying? So guys, just pack and the pants in
He ain't got no underwear, but he got a jogger.
You know what I'm saying? Now we gotta go through the boxes when we get in.
We'll just reuse those.
Yeah, or I just wear these again on some, you know, non-filthy shit.
Non-filthy. This is what he said. Stop.
You brought your I'm saying your hoodie, but I'm just confused. It's a little dark in here. Hold on.
Oh,
Yeah.
No, I'm not leaving it. If someone like
bruh, what if somebody come in and steal it?
I want to treat it right.
Look at it.
Uh-huh.
People already treating it wrong.
Bro, you're treating it wrong by leaving it on the
Why you
wall.
gonna leave it?
Come back.
You taking your shoes and you're not taking us? That's basically us.
Right.
I feel you.
Come on, fam.
Yeah, that's the golden blade. That's our goal. It's me and you right there. I'm good guy, you bad guy. Bad cop. Bad good cop.
So I'm always the bad cop.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, y'all probably talking to the movers. It's something involving money. Got the Don Lee.
Right.
When there's money involved, absolutely.
See,
Yep.
look, told
You
you.
said it.
I was in money involved all the time.
Uh-oh, Lee.
She owned it. She
Oh, Lee. She said, what?
Let's go.
uh,
So I know y'all have not seen me
What
around.
happened?
I tried to video out. I've actually haven't been here. I've gotten away from all the hecticness and the mess because I shouldn't be a part of this.
she said I shouldn't be a part of this.
All of this is toxic. This house, the way it's looking right now. But yeah, I'm really excited. I feel like we're gonna have fun in this house.
Yay.
By the way, I'm getting my hair done because tomorrow I have a photo shoot for my
Ow.
deluxe album.
The looks.
Fun fact, I already had a photo shoot for my deluxe album, but I kind of didn't like the
Uh-oh.
amount of it for deluxe, but I like the pictures.
Okay.
This one I posted on Instagram.
Did y'all see that? Did y'all like it?
Right. Comment below.
If you guys think you know what the color is, comment below.
Orange.
I've been giving y'all hints. But yeah, it's 10:40.
What color y'all think it
right
is?
now, 10:40 at night, and the kids are still with Monique. I think she took them to the aquarium today or somewhere.
Ow.
And as soon as their room gets set up, I'm gonna call her so they can go straight in their room, go to sleep. Clarence wanted me to try some of that exotic fruit. But I mean, I think it went bad because like you thought the oranges or whatever it was. It was soft, squishy. Okay. No.
Right. Claire, it ain't never that bad. What you doing? He tired of moving.
This package of exotic fruit, you know what I'm saying? So we about to open up some fruit.
They don't make yourself sick. She
And
said it was time.
And Queen is about to try it. And Mod is about to try it.
Oh.
Yeah.
How many bathrooms y'all got?
I know, but like, why is you wiping the knife off on your
Your
We're about to
clothes.
all try
The
some
water
exotic
work,
fruit.
don't it?
Hopefully ain't nothing nasty. You know what I mean? But I heard these
Bro,
fruits
what is
really
this?
good.
What are they?
I'm on the website
No,
right
they
now.
really,
So I will be
it's
able to
really
show
like
you guys what the
exotic
fruit is.
fruit.
Mike,
Y'all should have-
what fruit that is.
Y'all should have like a mukbang with the
Nah,
fruit.
bro, that's the only fruit that's not on there. What's it?
It
Claire.
probably went
We're
bad.
still gonna open it up and try it.
Wait, I think it's a that little thing that's white
The
inside.
prickly outside. Oh, I saw that one. That's an African one, I think.
What? It's a Kiwana melon. These will have a rich orange color and will have a little
Don't let
so that we squeeze.
don't let Legend hear it. Kawana melon, cocoa melon, same thing.
Right.
No, bro. I gotta look at it and examine what I'm about to get myself into.
Nah, yeah, that's how if you look at it too much. It's green inside.
Bro,
Wait a minute, why you say eat it quickly?
It's green inside.
No, that means it went bad.
Are you supposed to eat them with each other?
Girl, I don't know.
Oh no, hell no, that's like mold. No.
That's not mold, it's clear.
It's probably seeds.
It's the seeds. I think that's supposed to
But why you can't have no plate or something?
That's a bunch of mold.
Get a piece of paper. I need to
Smell it, how it smells.
It smells like fruit.
Nah,
Give me a piece, give me a piece.
Look, now she want a piece.
Like about maybe butter.
It smell like a
You love it? Yeah.
Oh no, I'm not eating that.
what? Wait, did she drop it?
Alright, we're about to try this Kiwana melon. Let's see how this is, right?
You
got
got
it in the hand.
Right, you gotta kiss Claire anyway. He trying it.
Nah, this is dumb good though.
Dumb good.
Oh, you know it's real good.
Why she left? She can't. Ain't nothing coming out.
Okay, I'm
Good.
No, it's not. It tastes good. It's the seeds. I don't like the
It's not bad at
I
all.
really hate the seeds, but I don't mind it. It's like a little sweet melon. It's like, alright.
What you think?
It tastes like
I'm sorry, y'all. I got a question. That lady only job is to hold the flat iron and the cones. Like she can't put it down though.
Right, they don't want to. They count
Ain't
it.
no holder.
Alright, let's see what this is.
But it's crazy. Yo, that butt is crazy.
That's
Yo, where is this?
Y'all need to look it up before y'all eat
A
it.
cherimoya.
Oh, I heard of that.
The shape and size of fruit berries has green skin. The skin and seeds are edible. The fruit is ripe when you can gently squeeze it. I'm squeezing. Okay? The best way to eat this fruit
I'm
is to
squeezing.
tear it open with your hands and scoop it out the delicious
She's
white
said he
flesh.
talking about some dog.
I don't know.
He said, man, it said flesh.
Oh no.
Yeah. It's probably good, y'all.
Yeah.
That wasn't done.
That looks like an egg white.
So that was all the way done.
No, we gotta try it, guys.
We gotta try, guys. If you eat it and you say it tastes good, everybody else gonna eat it.
Man, you got the biggest piece, bro.
You like it?
No.
Like, really look at this.
Try from over there.
But you think this is nasty, but you're trying to hold your face so I can taste it.
He don't like it. That's for sure.
It says still holding them things. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you care. Click the bell, become part of the Noto Squad.
Petty, I've been winning steady. Petty, 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 I've been winning steady. Petty, 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 I've been winning steady.